Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's edition of the news. Before heading to the news in detail, here's a quick look at the headlines. Northeast is the heart and soul of Bharat, says Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma reviews flood situation in Garo Hills. Government remains open to resolving concerns raised by stakeholders, says Paul Lyngdoh. Central Puja Committee organizes 30th get-together to promote harmony and peace across faiths and religions. And USTM got the nod from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India and National Medical Commission. Now the news in detail. The Vice President of India, Jagdeep Dhankar, today said that the Northeast is the heart and soul of Bharat, urging the media to champion the region's potential in tourism and development. He emphasized that the Northeast is not just a geographic region but a vibrant tapestry of cultures, traditions and natural beauty that embodies the essence of India. Delivering the keynote address at the Conclave 2024, organized by Pratidin Media Network in New Delhi today, Dhankar highlighted the transformative impact of the government's Act East policy and the importance of media in shaping national narratives.
Of Northeast while being Governor State of West Bengal. Sonawalji, I happen to be chairman of Eastern Zone Cultural Center. I had the occasion to visit all the states. I know firsthand how rich it is. On occasions I have defined Northeast bountifully gifted by nature. Put in one crucible, New Zealand, Switzerland and Scotland, and you will find all taken together will be much short of the wealth of Northeast.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Saturday held a review meeting to assess the ongoing flood situation in Garo Hills, which has severely impacted all 5 districts, particularly South Garo Hills and West Garo Hills. Incessant rains since Friday midnight have caused flooding in the Dalu area of West Garo Hills and the Plain Belt regions, with Gaswapara in South Garo Hills being badly affected, where bridges have been washed away. Sangma has also instructed the authorities to seek any necessary assistance from the state government and ensure relief efforts are carried out effectively in the affected areas. Meghalaya Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh, addressing recent tourism and transport issues, stated that the government remains open to resolving concerns raised by stakeholders. He mentioned the ongoing discussions with the official committee regarding the demands of the All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxis Association, AKMTTA, emphasizing that solutions will be explored in collaboration with all parties. The AKMTTA had submitted a 4-point demand to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, urging the government to sign a reciprocal transport agreement with Assam.
Tourism have already had an engagement wherein the All Khasi Taxi Drivers Association were also invited and had participated just last week. So that was last week, and next week again the official committee is meeting the associations. See, our mind is still very open. They are talking to the official committee next week. Once those talks move forward, the committee will then apprise me of possible solutions, and I see nothing that can't be solved where this issue is concerned.
On tourism development, Lyngdoh highlighted the growing appeal of Meghalaya as a destination for world-class musicians. He shared that artists like Akon, set to perform during the Cherry Blossom Festival, and Bryan Adams, who will visit in December, showcase the state's unique draw. Meghalaya has become a brand apart as a tourism destination, said Lyngdoh, adding that while challenges exist, solutions are always within reach if there is a genuine effort to address them.
The best of musicians traveling to Meghalaya. Akon is coming during Cherry Blossom, and Brian Adams will be performing here in December. These are world-class musicians, and they are drawn to Shillong, they are drawn to Meghalaya, and that very fact is something that has made Meghalaya a brand apart as a tourism.
The Central Puja Committee CPC on Friday organized its 30th get-together, an event to promote harmony and peace across faiths and religions, where Governor of Meghalaya C.H. Vijay Shankar graced the occasion as the chief guest at the Jagannath Mandir Auditorium. Addressing the gathering as the chief guest, the governor emphasized how Meghalaya is setting an example for other states by celebrating not only Durga Puja but every festival with a spirit of togetherness, upholding India's message of unity in diversity in a true sense. Religious leaders from various faiths, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikhs and Buddhists participated in the event.
Festival. I think this is this festival, how you are going to celebrate here, particularly in this particularly August house. I would like to say the way how you are being conducted and conducting the Navaratri festival. I think this is going to be the standing example rest of the all other states in the country.
Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Friday informed that the police are making whole-out efforts to ensure that infamous drug trafficker, identified as Aisha Khatun alias Pahari, is booked under the preventive detention which is provided by Prevention of Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances. When asked that there is not even a single case in East Khasi Hills who has been booked under PITS and DPS, he said that there are 7 cases which are currently being reviewed. Meanwhile, he informed that the various Durbar Shnongs of West Shillong have submitted the suggestions on the formation of the Village Defence Party to help in the fight against drugs.
This government that she is now under custody, and all efforts are being made to ensure that she also is booked under preventive detention, which is provided by PITS and DPS. There are 7 cases that are currently being reviewed. We want to ensure that the system is done such that we do our homework very meticulously, that none of those cases fall through because of lack of evidence and so on.
The University of Science and Technology Meghalaya NAAC accredited A-grade university has got the nod from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India and National Medical Commission NMC, approving the PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital PIMC, a joint venture of USTM and Government of Meghalaya. This landmark development allows the medical college an intake of 150 students for its inaugural MBBS program.
Sangma International Medical College and Hospital, which has been approved by National Medical Commission of India under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, to launch the MBBS program for 150 intake from this academic session 2024. This medical college is in collaboration with the Government of Meghalaya with an understanding, although we have not signed the final memorandum of understanding, but entire understanding and negotiation has been completed, that besides the healthcare facility free of cost for the patient of Meghalaya in general.
The Hinyao Trap Youth Council HYC met with Shillong MP Dr. Ricky E.J. Singkon at Riangdo West Khasi Hills to highlight the urgent need for road construction in West Khasi Hills. The HYC emphasized the importance of roads like Mau Thir Kershai, Mau Et Kulang, Nong Stoin Mau Kerwat, Nong Kasen Kenro, Nong Jeli Nong Knum, Sopian Nong Stoin, and Wiang Tonghor Atiabari. They also urged the MP to address stalled PMGSY roads. The HYC believes these projects will bring development to the region.
Bentaba fer ni layo itu tular nanti formen suabat ni afterman ya kata surok hadu mentaba kada ban yo no sana peteng na nemo et na mangi kan ni ka ba tre menta ka tu hadu mo et kan don ka surok ko biang ho ni mensuang ni layo benar ta ka don kita kan satre kita ka tulen rei mentaba ni ba kan sentre ka tre da ka surok ba longkat ka PMGSY dan nak yang jengi ka pat ya i ban yarap lem ban yo kenapa kan long ka jeng kerfu bat kan long ka jeng itnat ya kan sentau ka jengi kata ka di ka pat ni berkawe ki PMGSY ni ki PMGSY ki bobun ke bana kaliang jong ka office Birludi kala phak sya ka tenat menrai haduk mentakin patre ki bobun hapuk jong wes sir ngamlak banjar.
5 families in Nongspung B village under the Umling CNRD block have been significantly affected by earth cutting, which has caused sand and mud flow into their residences and damaged their plantations. As informed by the headman, Pelimon Tongper and Riton Sumer said that the situation has not only disrupted their daily lives but has also threatened their livelihoods as crops have been buried or washed away. They also informed that the affected families had already filed an FIR at Pilingkata Police Outpost and so far no action was taken against the rampant earth cutting.
Kaplan kemda biang cuti ente penting ini dah kebiang plan em kerja jong sini kem tak.
Ibat hi la do kat kansen bat ne kerajaka ni la dawa he pensil nrai ong bansil tengimla ni kuat petang ban penkhut ya tu siap ong kita. Ni pat la siap penjulor ka ying la do ka ying te ban penkhut mentoy ayo. Udah hi bansil kan kat ka ying du nong yang ni.
The 12th Chattisgarh Kharkongor Memorial Trophy First Division Football Tournament 2024, organized by the West Jantia District Sports Association, commenced yesterday at Kiangnangba Stadium. This year, 12 different teams and sports clubs are participating in the tournament, divided into 2 pools. The top team from each pool will advance to the semi-finals and then compete in the final match. The first match took place yesterday with Kim Musniang defeating Chutwakhu 3-1 on the opening day of the trophy. And now the weather report. Minimum temperature recorded today was 16.1 degrees Celsius, while maximum temperature was recorded at 18.7 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 100%, which decreased to 94% in the evening. 44 millimeter of rainfall was recorded today. Forecast: moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur at most places. Before winding up this news bulletin, here's a short recap. Northeast is the heart and soul of Bharat, says Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma reviews flood situation in Garo Hills. Government remains open to resolving concerns raised by stakeholders, says Paul Lingdon. Central Puja Committee organizes 30th get-together to promote harmony and peace across faiths and religions. And USTM got the nod from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India and National Medical Commission. And dear viewers, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. Thanks for tuning in with us. Good night.